We are back with a brand new episode of Bollywood's most controversial, and this time we've got you the Singham of Bollywood. An actor, director and producer whose journey in Tinseltown has not been a very smooth one. Yet he managed to win hearts with his charm and performance, proving on to being the dark horse. Time to take a look at Ajay Devgan's list of controversies. अजय हार्टब्रेकर देवगन। इस नाम से उन्हें बुलाना गलत नहीं होगा, वो क्यों? चलिए बताते हैं। Ajay was reportedly dating Raveena Tandon when he fell for the 90s beauty Karisma Kapoor, post which both the actresses got into a cold war. Reports voiced that Raveena had even started bad-mouthing Ajay and Lolo in print. Ajay and Raveena both indulged in a print war until their paths met on Raveena's TV show It's My Life, जिसके बाद से इनकी दोस्ती काफी पीसफुल चल रही है. On the other hand, when Karisma Kapoor thought she was the special one in Ajay's life, the actress probably didn't realize that she too might face the blow someday. और वो दिन आया तब जब अजय अपनी फेवरेट co-star and now wife काजोल के प्यार में पड़ गए. Poor Karisma must be shattered. Ajay versus YRF. यश राज फिल्म्स ने जब तक है जहां की दिवाली रिलीज 1 साल पहले ही अनाउंस कर दी थी. On the other hand, Ajay Devgan and director Ashwini Dhir ने रिस्क लिया of thinking about releasing their film Son of Sardar around Diwali too. यश चोपड़ा जी के sudden death के बाद Ajay's production house reportedly filed a legal lawsuit against YRF for manipulating their way to get more screen space from distributors at all major centers of the nation. Ajay की इस हरकत को लोगों ने cheap publicity stunt कहा. The court too rejected Ajay's plea, although his film got ample screens and made 100 crores too. लेकिन इस इंसिडेंट ने अजय को विलन बना ही दिया. Ajay और SRK की war has always been a question in the minds of the media and their fans. Though Ajay claimed in an interview that things were fine between him and Shah Rukh, he had also quoted, "We are not friends, but that doesn't mean we are enemies. We are colleagues and we are there for each other as we are a part of the same industry. I'm sure if I need some support tomorrow, he will be there and vice versa." Alright, talking about support. आप सभी ने SRK के 8-pack abs को अडोर जरूर किया होगा, लेकिन अजय ने एक प्रेस मीट में कुछ ऐसा कहा.
ये ना 6 है ना 8 है. अगर आपने 8 है, ये आपने देखा, ये जितना नेचुरल और रियल होता है उतना है. पैक्स आपको ज्यादा नजर नहीं आएंगे, बट एक रियल जो टफ बॉडी होती है और वही प्रभु को चाहिए थी और वही आपने की.
So Ajay probably meant that शाहरुख जिन्होंने 8-pack abs sport किए वो natural और real नहीं लग रहे थे. That doesn't seem very supportive to us. And by the way, क्या आपको पता है अजय ने आज तक दिलवाले दुल्हनिया ले जाएंगे नहीं देखी है? जी हाँ, ऐसा उन्होंने एक इंटरव्यू में कहा. क्या बात है अजय. SRK एक वजह हो सकते हैं, लेकिन आपकी वाइफ काजोल की आइकॉनिक मूवी है DDLJ, तब भी नहीं देखी. Not fair. वैसे इतना तो कह गए अजय. There is no particular reason why I haven't seen it yet. It's just that I haven't got the time. Well, ये थी इस हफ्ते की controversial story. अगर आप किसी सेलिब्रिटी की controversial Bollywood journey के बारे में जानना चाहते हैं, तो कमेंट्स में हमें बताएं. Hit the like button for our action Jackson Ajay Devgan and keep watching Bollywood now.